Hello, I'm Vincent White, and I'm an employment attorney, and today we're working on drafting your timeline for your attorneys, or if you're representing yourself, drafting your complaint for your pro se filing. Now, every workplace discrimination or sexual harassment case is essentially a story. As the plaintiff, you're playing both the role of the victim and now also the hero, because you've made the choice to stand up for yourself and fight back against what was done to you. You made it through everything they did. You've grown beyond that, and now you're turning the tables. Additionally, you now have the help of an attorney, hopefully, to get you through this time. And they're going to need the entirety of your story at their fingertips so they can draft the best complaint possible for you. To create your timeline, that's all you have to do. You're just telling your story. Please make sure to type everything out. It will make things much easier for your attorney, and it will make sure that nothing is lost because of bad penmanship or confusion on a piece of paper, right? First and foremost, as you're writing, be sure that you've had a conversation with your attorneys. Be sure that you understand what your claims are and what they are trying to prove. That's where you start. That is what the center of your story, the core of your story will always be. The things that were done to you that we are now addressing. Second, think back to where all the bad behavior began. This is basically where we're going to introduce the villain, right? The people who discriminated against you, or retaliated, or sexually harassed you. Where did it all begin? Third, start to tell us everything. Don't hold back. You don't pay us by the hour. Don't make it a situation where you don't want to waste our time. We want you to waste our time because we want to find anything and everything that might add value to your case. Everything you experienced, everything you persevered through, we want all of it. If you can, provide dates, list of witnesses, tell us how you felt when something was done to you. Anything that you can think of, we want. Fourth, don't be afraid to keep adding as you go. You're going to remember more things. As we do different versions of your complaint, as we add and subtract and try to make the most effective document possible, you're going to be reading it, editing it, approving it, but you're also going to say, oh my gosh, I just remembered that this was done to me as well and I didn't have it in my original timeline. That's all right. By all means, give us that information. It could be incredibly important to your case. It could remove risk from your litigation to some extent. It could add value. It could make the case potentially more valuable. So don't hold back. We want everything. Number 5, and this is probably the most important one, stay calm. No one remembers perfectly. That's just not how the human mind works. So as we're working, you will remember additional things. But if you have a certain instance and you know you just can't remember the date, that's okay. Give us the month. You can't remember the month, give us the season. If you can't give us the season, give us the year. We're going to be getting discovery as the case progresses, and there's going to be a great deal we can do to flesh out your story, to add the details, and to really give it a foundation and an evidentiary backbone. So don't worry about that. If you have any questions, we're always here. You have our number, and you know we're here to help you. So by all means, we wish you the absolute best. And I am sorry that you've been found in a position where this kind of video might be helpful for you. But that being said, I am really glad and impressed by you that you've chosen to fight. Take care.